Today we are taking a quick walking tour of the 2007 Kevlacat Barrier Reef Camel Toe. Boat's had a lot of upgrades over the years, and she's actually one of the last Kevlacats. She has a GPS map XSV. She has a VHF with DSC, and those are all fairly new units. Coming forward, she actually has a Lumar electric windlass with stainless steel chain and a Fortress anchor. Despite the fact she is a 20-footer, she feels like a larger boat. And she's powered by a set of Suzuki DF140s with right at 100 hours on them. And of course, this wonderful boat sits on a 2008 float-on custom trailer. I thank you for your interest in the 2007 Kevlacat 20 Barrier Reef Camel Toe.